The software engineering degree program was designed to meet those outcomes, again, in a learning by doing or hands-on centric way. The foundation of the degree, like all college degrees, should be in liberal arts, a general studies foundation. As an engineering degree, you also have a significant number of mathematics courses to take. Once you go into the computing side of things and the software engineering side of things, there's a set of computing foundations, computer science foundations, and then into engineering foundations. These are seen by taking lower division computer science courses. These courses are CSE 110, CSE 205, CSE 240, and CSE 230. You'll find these kinds of courses in almost any computing related curriculum, software engineering, or computer science in any institution in the US. They include a CS1, CS2 type course, a programming sequence to build that technical competency, a course CSE 230 in computer organization and assembly language, and a course CSE 240 in programming languages and understanding the different features of different programming languages. In addition to that, we have some software engineering specific courses as a computing background, in particular data structures and algorithms course, SER 222. We teach that at the sophomore level, whereas other degree programs might do it at a higher level. You also need a software engineering foundation, and we start that process in the lower division. In particular, there are two courses, FSC 100, that is an introduction to engineering that all engineering majors in the R.A. Fulton Schools of Engineering take. That course will introduce you to the engineering design process, and then you'll start to specialize in software engineering flavor of that by taking SER 216, the first software enterprise course, the first course in what we call Project Spine. That Project Spine leads you through the upper division of your curriculum. That Project Spine, we call it a Project Spine because it's the structure by which we hang and integrate, if you will, the rest of your coursework in the upper division. So as you transfer from the lower division, these foundations into the upper division, the structure of your curriculum changes. You'll have a project-centric course every semester. These will be numbered SER 315, SER 316, SER 415, and SER 416. You'll also have a capstone sequence in your senior year to synthesize all this project-based work. But as you take these project-based courses and go through the upper division, you'll be integrating the work that you do in your other software engineering related courses. Those courses are taken as a primary focus area and a secondary focus area. The primary focus areas that we support are embedded systems and web and mobile systems. For the online students right now, it's just web and mobile systems. You also have a secondary focus area, your ability to take a themed set of electives really in any discipline you want. A lot of folks stay within software engineering. For example, if you're web and mobile, they also take embedded systems. They may take something related to software engineering like robotics, like cybersecurity, like data mining or machine learning type of things. But you could take anything you want. We've had students do music before, we've had students do Chinese, whatever you desire. So that structure that we have is that project-centric approach with the primary focus area on one side and the secondary focus area that gives you that breadth on the other. The final culminating experience for an undergraduate software engineering major, like any engineering major, is to do a year-long capstone project. In that capstone project, the intent is to have you work on a real-world scalable project, usually with an industry mentor or industry sponsor. And in that project, you are to synthesize or demonstrate all of the degree program outcomes I talked about before. That's really the capstone is kind of your badge of honor when you complete your engineering degree.